In this video, I will show you a real product called FortiGate Firewall. It's a hardware firewall, and we are going to implement it in our lab. So here I have my Windows Server machine, and this is the client. It's a Windows 10 machine. Before I start implementing the FortiGate, I want to explain something. Let's go to the whiteboard. Here I have my Windows Server, and this is the PC1. Both are connected to a switch, and they can communicate to each other. What I'm going to do, I will connect the firewall, and it will act like the router. So the firewall will have two network adapters. One is connecting to the inside, and one is connecting to the outside. So from this side, it's going to connect to the internet, and from inside, it will be the gateway to the outside world. So if I go to the command prompt on the server and type ipconfig/all, I will see this is the server IP address and this is the gateway. So the IP address of the firewall from inside, it should be this IP. Now let's go to the FortiGate and configure this adapter. I'm here in the console. I'm going to log in. Now I enter to the interface configuration. I will edit port 1, which is adapter 1, which is the inside. Now I'm going to assign the IP address to this port. And now I'm going to allow ping HTTP, HTTPS in order to access the firewall from the browser on the server. Now let's move to the server. If I ping 192.168.1.1, I have a reply from the firewall. Now let's open the browser and access the FortiGate. This is the web interface for the FortiGate. And from here, you can configure your rules and the security profiles. Now let's continue configuring the FortiGate. If I go to the network, interfaces, if you remembered, I told you we have two network adapters. Port 1, this is the inside one. Now the outside is still not configured. Let's go and configure it. Edit. I'm going to give it a name. This is the internet access. It's going to get an IP from the HCP, from the internet provider, and I'm going to save the settings. Also, I'm going to rename the port 1 to the network. And we'll hit OK. As you can see, now I have the internet port. It has an IP address, and my firewall is connected to the internet. How I can verify that? I have here a console in the FortiGate, and I'm going to ping google.com, and I have reply from google.com. That's mean my firewall is connected to the internet. Now let's see if my server can access the internet. I will open a new tab and try to access the internet. Let's try google.com. You will see the website cannot be reached. You have to know, by default in any firewall, first rule is deny everything. So if I go here to policy and objects, IPv4 policy, I can see the default rule is deny everything. So the source all, destination all, the action is deny. So I'm denying everything from any source to any destination. Now let's create the opposite. I'm going to allow everything from any source to any destination, and we'll check the internet. Create new. I will name it allow internet. Incoming interface. It's the inside, which is the network. It's going to the outside, to the internet. The source is all, and the destination is all. The action is accept, and I will hit OK. I forgot to select the service. The service is like HTTP, HTTPS, and other protocols. I will select all protocols and will hit OK. Now I created the rule and I should have internet access now. As you can see, I have internet access. Now in the upcoming lectures, we are going to apply a security profiles on the same rule. So even if I'm allowing everything, I can put some security on the same rule. For example, to block a website, to block an application. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.